Hi there. My name is Chris Spencer, and I am the owner artist involved with Wax On, Wax Off Creations. I make custom um, Pysanky, which are Ukrainian Easter eggs. I'll do other videos later on talking about a little bit about the history of Pysanky and how I got into that and all those things. But the purpose of this video and the other videos that you're going to find here on this channel are to help you as a beginner, or maybe as an intermediate, advanced, or just someone who's just interested in learning about this ancient art. This is to help you be able to give this a try. I've put together a kit, and hopefully that's how one of the ways that you've come across this. I put these together so that I can provide people with a little bit easier way than having to hunt and search for the things that they need for this art, and put it in a place and expose it to people when I go to art shows, craft shows, different markets, other places where I'm out in the community where I live, and have an opportunity to share the art with other people and tell them about it. And there's lots of people that are interested in trying this out. They've either heard about it in different places, and so my hope is to have some short videos provided in the future that will cover all aspects of it, but mainly to introduce you to the materials that you're going to need, the materials that I've provided in this kit, and then as well walk you through basic use of the tools so that you can create an egg. In the past, I've had a written little instruction sheet, and I'm finding that a lot of times people are a little bit more successful if they can have someone show them. I know I'm a bit of a visual learner myself, so that's the point of making this video for you. So I appreciate you coming here and taking the time. I apologize for the disaster around me. This is my studio in my home, and I'm currently in full-on prep mode for an arts fair that I'm going to be attending next week, and so it's a little bit chaotic down here, but I really wanted to get this video. So once again, I'm Chris. I'm glad you're here, and I look forward to you maybe reaching out if you have more questions. I do classes in person, but this hopefully will allow a little bit broader reach for people that are interested in this art. So stay tuned for part 2, which will go into the materials.